Let's just ignore the fact that I've been gone since 2021. That's beside the point.
I was playing it cool, you was flexing. I know I wasn't the only one you messed with, but it was good, I was on to the next one.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Blossom here, and I am coming back with another video. Today's video will be a well-awaited update on Wegovy after not being on it for a year. And while I was on Wegovy, I did lose a total of 60 pounds in a span of 6 to 9 months. And in this video, I plan on going over the first few months after I stopped Wegovy, talking about if I gained weight, if I lost weight, how's my appetite now, and how do I maintain the weight that I have lost. If you would like more detailed videos regarding when I actually was taking Wegovy, make sure to check out some of my previous videos. Yes, it was from 2021, but yeah, there were still some good videos in there just to give you all just like a in the moment reaction of how I was handling Wegovy while taking it back then. All right, so how was Wegovy after I stopped it? I would say that the first month my appetite was still suppressed a lot. However, as time goes on, you slowly but surely gain your appetite back. I was still losing weight that month after stopping Wegovy because obviously it was still in my system. When I looked it up on Google, Google did say that it could take between a month to 2 months for the medicine to completely be out of your body, which makes sense because when you first started, you start off at a low dosage and then you slowly but surely start to build up your dosages, and it takes months to be able to get to the 1 milligram. Within that month to 2 months, my appetite was slowly but surely coming back, and I was noticing it because I was eating shit that I was not eating before, craving things that I was not craving before. However, while in the process of the medicine leaving my body, your girl ended up going to a little depressive state, and I ended up losing my appetite. So a lot of people on my Instagram feel like I was taking Wegovy and still losing weight after I had officially stopped it. No, that was not the case. Your girl was depressed. Then a month, I was depressed, and I lost my appetite. And when I had stopped, I say like a month before stopping Wegovy, I got into the gym really heavy because I just needed to put my mind on something else. And my appetite was suppressed, and I was in the gym, I think like 3 times a week, doing only weight training. I was only doing weight training. I wasn't doing any cardio. So when I had stopped Wegovy, I was about, I believe I was like 155, 160-ish. However, when your girl got depressed, I ended up getting down to 135 pounds. But the weight between 135 and 155, 160, I ain't gonna talk about that. We're gonna talk about 160 because obviously I gained that weight back from when I was depressed. And now I'm back at the weight from when I had stopped Wegovy. Similar to when I had first started taking Wegovy, I did have like a little bit of nausea while it was leaving my body, but it was nothing like too major. I just took some over-the-counter medicine that stopped my nausea. That was the only thing. I did have like a spell of headaches. I don't know if that was due to the Wegovy or it was due to like the depression that I was going through, but that was also another symptom that I was experiencing when it was I guess withdrawing from my body or whatnot. One thing that I will say is if you have like a specific weight goal that you want to achieve while taking Wegovy, me personally, I think that you should stop taking Wegovy maybe like 5 to like 10 pounds lower than your actual goal, because once the medicine leaves your body, you're going to gain your appetite back and your body naturally is going to fluctuate. So let's say my goal was like 170 or something like that. Me getting down to 160, then stopping Wegovy, letting my appetite get back to what it used to be, you know, I can be comfortable with gaining that weight back to get back to the 170 pounds. So that's just something that I personally recommend if you plan on taking Wegovy, is to lose a little bit more weight than what you actually want to. Don't be dramatic and go an extra 20 pounds like my ass did. Go like maybe like 5 to 10 pounds, because I'm telling y'all, your appetite is going to hit you like a brick. I'm trying not to say the F word on YouTube because this has changed a little bit since the last time I've been on here, you know what I'm saying? I would recommend that you guys stay in the gym, start meal prepping, and start having a more protein first diet. For me, my weight gain after that incident or whatever like that, it was gradual. I did not gain that weight super duper fast, but it was like a nice amount of time before I got back to the 160s. I actually probably got back to the 160s maybe this past like November, December-ish. And since then, I've been maintaining between about, right now, between 160 and 165. My top, girl, you doing too much goal is 170. And I've gotten up there, then I've like get myself in check and I'll just, go back to my comfortable weight between 160 and 165. One thing that I also do think helped me a lot with not being able to gain all that weight back after stopping Wegovy and getting into like a maintenance spot of my, I guess, weight loss journey, health journey, or whatever, is weight training. Your girl, I only lift weights now. Like, I don't do no cardio. I say within the amount of time that I've been going to the gym for the past, it's been about 9 months now. I probably only did cardio less than 15 times. I go to the gym and I lift weights. I started off with like moderate weights, and then now I'm like lifting heavier weights because your girl is trying to grow a dump trunk in the back of me, and I can't do that lifting light weights and stuff like that, me personally. And I like the challenge of lifting heavy weights. So for me, what is helping me stay in my maintenance stance or whatever is weight training, heavy weight training. And I think I'm gonna start putting in a little bit of cardio, but nothing like too much, nothing over like 30 minutes. Maybe I'll stay in between 15 or 20 minutes. But going to the gym and weight training for like an hour tops, that's helped me a lot. And the app that I've been using to track like and make my gym sessions is called FitBod. This video is not sponsored by them. I just love this app. FitBod literally has helped me get to where my body is now, because your girl I had a leg gap. How somebody that used to be 280 pounds end up getting a leg gap? I had a whole leg gap for about 5 to 6 months. So I had to get rid of it. So what I did is, once I started to gain weight, I started to focus on a protein first, a high protein diet. So before, I used to try and eat about 100 grams of protein. Now I'm shooting for at least 120. It's days where I get up to 160. And being a bariatric patient, for me personally, that's low-key kind of hard, because I literally had to go back to eating something every like 2 hours or something like that. And y'all know we get full easy. So once the 2 hours come again, I low-key don't want to eat or drink anything. So I be having like to either say, forget it, or just say, forget it, I'm just about to drink this protein shake and let it ride. Another thing that I'm taking now to, I guess, keep me in a maintenance spot is creatine. It's a supplement. I don't want to go into many details on it. I can do that in another video if you all would like me to. Just comment that below and I can add that to my list of videos that I plan on pushing out for y'all. Going back into the gym, in the gym, I'm burning between like 500 to maybe like 800 calories. This is the first time ever in my weight loss journey that I have been 100% comfortable with my weight. I don't know if it's the antidepressants. I don't know if it's maturity. I don't know if it's me just not giving up about it. But I'm like actually very comfortable with my weight. Skin wise, y'all know your girl got loose skin and stuff like that. That's beside the point. I get that fixed eventually. But actually, like the size that I am, I like it. And I'm proud of myself because, one, after bariatric surgery, I ended up losing 110 pounds, ended up gaining about 50 pounds, Then I lost 60 pounds and now I'm maintaining it. And my 5-year surgery is coming up next month. And y'all know, after 5 years, a lot of people gain back their weight after 5 years. Being somebody that has not gained their weight back after 5 years after bariatric surgery, I'm proud as hell of myself. I'm really proud of myself. I'm proud of my body. I'm not scared to take anything that's gonna help me lose weight. A lot of people feel like after you have bariatric surgery, you shouldn't be going back to your doctor for phentermine, Wegovy, Ozempic, and whatnot. It's your journey. And even if you have not had bariatric surgery and you're trying to lose weight, it is your journey. Do not let anybody talk you out of taking a medication to help you lose weight. We all live one life. If you feel comfortable with it and you've done the research, and after talking to your doctor, talking to a nutritionist, and you feel comfortable with taking that medicine, do it. However, while you are taking Wegovy, make sure that you are making a plan for when you stop Wegovy, because it's not something that you're going to be on for the rest of your life. So you need to start making a plan once you start getting closer to your goal, to figure out, what am I going to do once I stop this? Do I want to become pescatarian? Do I want to become more plant-based? Do I want to try a more high protein diet? Make a plan before you stop, because that will help you out in the long run. If you're taking Wegovy and you're not in the gym, go to the gym. Me personally, I like lifting weights. If you want to do cardio, do cardio. Um, uh, Yoga. Y'all, I got back into yoga, and my yoga sessions are about 55 minutes or so. I burn about 300 calories just in yoga itself. So make a plan. All right, y'all. So that was my video. I wanted to give y'all an updated video of how I've been after Wegovy a year later. I've been maintaining. I have not gained weight from, I guess, the stop point of Wegovy. If y'all have any other questions for me, make sure to comment them below. I will answer them. I'm more likely to answer the questions on YouTube versus Instagram, because honestly, y'all, I stopped really checking my Instagram DMs. So if you do have a question, please comment that below or send me an email, because one thing I'm gonna always be doing is checking my email, child. My email is in the bio below. So if you do not feel comfortable with commenting underneath this video, just shoot me an email and I'll get back to you within like 12 to 24 hours. Make sure that y'all follow me on Instagram. Make sure that y'all subscribe and like this video. Help your girl out, because I don't know if my channel dead or not, but hey, I'm gonna rock it out with the people that's rocking with me. Also, I plan on doing like a life update video, and then also I got my 5-year VSG surgery anniversary video coming out on March 5th. So those are 2 videos to look forward to within the upcoming weeks. I'm gonna try to upload videos like twice a week right now. I feel like that's good for me. Eventually, I'm gonna get up to 3 times a week, but as of right now, we're gonna focus on 2 times a week, because I got to get back into the motion of this ocean. So I hope you all have a great day, morning, night, afternoon, whenever you watch this video, and I'll talk to y'all later. Deuces.